Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So I just got a new update on my Samsung Galaxy A34. So today in this video we will talk about that update and also about the One UI 7 clock widgets that you can get early access on. So first off, let's start with this new update. For that you will have to go to your settings and then you will have to select this about phone in the top bottom. After selecting about phone, you will have to select software information, then you have to select Google Play system update. From here, you will get to see a new update, and if you will get to see this restart option, that it means that the update is already downloaded in the background. And now you just have to restart your device, and after clicking on restart, the update will get installed on your device. This installation process might take a while, so make sure to your device is completely free at the moment of the installation process. And finally, the phone is updated of the latest Google Play system update, and you will get to see that previously it was on the 1st August 2024 and now it is on the latest 1st September 2024. Now moving on to the One UI 7 clock widgets. So these are the clock widgets that will come with a new clock application, but you can get to see an early access on them. I have made a video by which I have shown that how you can update your clock application, so you can check out that from the description. These widgets are fully working and the clock application is on the latest version. I will also make another video in which I will explain that how you can update your clock application, so make sure to stay tuned. Next up, there is another feature that you guys might be missing out on your Samsung Galaxy A34. So this is with a circle to search. Now you get to see this new music icon by which you can identify any song in your background. You just have to simply long press your home button and then click on this music icon, and then you can identify any song that is playing in your background. This is very handy. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new Google Play system update for the Samsung Galaxy A34. If you are new around this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates, and do not forget to turn that bell icon on so you never miss any new update.